Yuda, tinanong namin ng aktor na si Tony Pangilinan kung paano ba nagumpisa ang pagmamahalan nila ni Bel Mariano. Sagot lang ng aktor is everything was very unexpected. Nothing was planned definitely, so everything just happened naturally and here we are. Kasi nag-start kami during HIH season 1, so wala talagang plans. Anything to into an intimate relationship, kumbaga everything just happened naturally. And yun nga, kumbaga wala, ganun naman ang love, diba? Mabibigla ka na lang.